All right, guys. So you're having a couple brews. Yes. But I'm going to tell you what happened to me. I was searching an auction site, and I came across a shit ton of Suzuki Samurai, let's say aftermarket accessories, and all kinds of parts. So I've been selling this on Facebook and stuff like that, and hey, if I can help somebody out by giving them some cheap parts, it's absolutely awesome. But yeah, doing pretty good. But that's what I've been up to. So if anybody needs stock exhaust for Suzuki Samurai and whatnot, I have shit tons. Anyway, this is my friend Andrea. I've known. We've been having a few. And this is Junior. But we've been hanging out again. It's been many years since we hung out. But yeah, she's going to be back in the picture for a while, so hope you enjoy that. And but yeah, we're going to have some absolute fun again. We're going to do this. I know I promised a lot of videos, but honestly, because of this human malware, let's call it, haven't been able to actually do anything, like I just been doing my normal thing. So, but yeah, we've been keeping this real, and as I said, I'll never upload anything that's going to waste your time, because it's the same shit I have been doing over and over. We have been getting in shit quite a bit with the cops, with all our four-wheelers, but but we're still having fun in life, right? That's what it's all about. So, yeah. So, say hi, Andrea.
What's going on?
Yes.
We have a blast.
And I think she's got great legs.
It'll work out, go along with it.
Yep. So, we're going to go on a boating trip next week, right?
Yep.
And we're going to hit the island, maybe hit Leamington, but we're going to fuck off for about a week or so and just have a blast, right? Start living life again, right? Summer's here, so there's all kinds of shit to do. Yeah, you guys rock. Cheers. Have a great summer. Come along for the ride.